Hi, welcome to the TeamCulture platform, the #1 platform for developing culture and engagement in real time. In this video, I will briefly introduce you to our main features, and I will present a view of a team member and access to the account manager and administrator. So let's start with team members and engagement research. Each team member receives a weekly reminder to answer 6 questions. They will receive the reminder by email or by the communication platform used in the company. Then they go to the screen, which can be accessed via smartphone, tablet, and desktop. Then the members start the engagement survey securely and anonymously. As soon as the employees respond to this survey, reports with team culture and engagement metrics are updated. I will show these reports later. Just a detail that is important to explain. We use an algorithm so that the questions do not recur in short spaces of time, so that they fill all the metrics of the report, always ensuring a 360 view in real time. Here, the employee will answer the question simply and dynamically. Notice the answer types are changing. The last question in every survey is an open field that we call a feedback box. It is a space where a team member can expose their opinions, criticisms, and suggestions to the manager. This question varies depending on the answer given in the previous question. So answers in this field are rated as positive or constructive feedbacks for the manager. It's ready! We completed the week's engagement survey. And the feedback sent is here, waiting for the response of the manager. When the manager responds, a notification will appear to the employee who sent the feedback. Now, I will show the view of the team member and the account administrator. And I will start with the organizational culture report. As you can see here, we can follow the culture evolution of the company, always evaluating the behaviors of the present culture, the alignment of the behaviors with the desired culture, and the behaviors that are unfavorable and are present in the company. You should know that you can perform the configurations of values of your company here. Whereas, here we can view the engagement report. Here we have the overall score of the company, and here the scores by pillars. You can enter each pillar to know more details. For example, the satisfaction pillar. Here you can see in details what factors and questions are in this pillar, and understand what is most critical according to their respective scores. Using the history feature, we can track the evolution of metrics over time. In this way, when we carry out an action plan, it is possible to understand if it affected the following month. And finally, here you have the eNPS and the LNPS scores, Employee Net Promoter Score and Leadership Net Promoter Score. Here you can get to know the percentage of promoters, neutrals and detractors, dissatisfied collaborators. And here is the feedback that the collaborators sent for the manager. Remember that the HR has access to all the company's feedbacks and can track the progress and respond when necessary. We also have other features such as custom surveys to carry out a further deepening on some specific subjects. You can create specific groups, for example, divided by areas of the company, and conduct their analysis separately. In this area, you can compare company and team scores, checking the critical points to be worked, creating an exchange of experience routine between the company leaders using this comparison vision. We can check the level of employee participation, create action plans, and use the intelligence of analytical reports for greater understanding. And of course, we can't leave aside the benchmark for the comparison of the company with the market and the leaders with other market leaders. That's it. Now, just question, act, and evolve. Until next time.